How to change Monzo card delivery address in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the card delivery address on Monzo. So first card, you can't change it. Monzo won't redirect your initial card. It's locked to the address used at account sign up. So need to change address for a replacement card. You can follow the steps I am going to tell you. You have to update your account from home or profile address. For that, you have to open the Monzo app, tap home, your profile photo, and then settings, yeah, and then tap your name, and then edit address. And you'll need PIN or face or fingerprint to confirm. And for order a replacement card to the updated address, you have to go back to home, tap card on the relevant account, and scroll to replacement and order new card, and follow the prompts. And Monzo sends replacements to your current account address. And if there's a typo or urgent need for the first card, tap help in the app, search updating your delivery address, and select get in touch and contact support for manual intervention. And in practice, most users report that first card changes aren't allowed, but you can explain the situation and request support via chat or email. And that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.